Our top focus this morning is on the drug bust from onboard a cruise by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Several high-profile arrests made, including Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. And in what comes as some sign of relief for Aryan, the NCB has said that they will not seek an extension of his custody. The Drug Probe Agency is now conducting raids at multiple locations based on the data that's been collected from analysing WhatsApp chats of the arrested accused Aryan as well as his friend Arbaz along with Munmun Dhamecha. Sources say that the NCB found narcotics hidden in sanitary pads, in medicine box and even islands cases during their raid in the luxury cruise. 5 other accused identified as Ishmit Singh Chadha, Mohak Jaiswal, Gomit Chopra and Vikrant Chokar have also been arrested and will be presented in court today. The NCB will seek their judicial custody in court. So ever since the news of Aryan Khan's arrest broke, a wave of support has poured in for Shah Rukh Khan from Bollywood colleagues. Superstar Salman Khan visited Mannat, which is Shah Rukh's residence, at Bandra Bandstand last night to meet his Karan Arjun co-star. Speaking exclusively to India Today, actor Sunil Shetty urged people not to assume the worst and let all facts come out in the case. Actor turned filmmaker Pooja Bhatt wrote on Twitter, and I quote, "I stand in solidarity with you and this too shall pass." Actor Suchitra Krishnamurthy also took to Twitter and extended support to Shah Rukh Khan. So let's get you all the details really about the investigation by the NCB. It's detained 9 people off Mumbai's coast as it busted a drug party on a cruise. India Today's accessed all details about the NCB's covert operation to nab those possessing and consuming drugs.
A super luxury experience in the Arabian Sea. An exclusive cruise packed with high-profile partygoers. The stage was set for a musical voyage like none other. Over 500 passengers, including celebrities, were ready to rave. But then came a cinematic twist to the tale. Unknown to other passengers, 22 Narcotics Bureau cops in plain clothes had boarded the luxury liner on Saturday, undercover and posing as normal passengers, just before the cruise set sail over the placid Arabian Sea. Soon the musical rave party began as soon as the ship left the Mumbai coast. The rave party turned into a drug rave as the cruise liner reached mid-sea. This was the cue the Narcotics Control Bureau officials were waiting for. They swung into action, stopping the cruise and conducting elaborate searches of all those present. They were acting on a tip-off about the event being more than just dance and music. What followed was a marathon 7-hour raid on board the ship. And the officials were spot on. According to the Narcos, all suspects were searched, and what they found was 20 grams of cocaine, 25 grams of MDMA or ecstasy, 10 grams of MD and 30 grams of hashish, all illegal psychotropic substances. Bollywood Badshah Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, his close friend Arbaz Merchant and passenger Munmun Dhamecha were arrested after questioning. Arbaz Merchant, who was a high-profile Mumbai socialite, was supposedly the one who brought Shah Rukh's son to the party. According to Narcotics Control Bureau sources, he had hidden drugs in his shoes, which was seized by officials during the raid.
Charas has been found, MDMA has been found, MD has been found, ecstasy has been found.
The Narcotics Bureau is treading cautiously as several high-profile names are involved in the drug bust and not ruling out many big fish in the mid-sea drug bust case. With Divyesh Singh in Mumbai and Manish Pandey in Delhi, we will report India.
We've also accessed details of the Crayark event, which was to take place on board the cruise ship. This event was to have internationally known DJs. Tickets ranged from a whopping 60,000 all the way up to 5 lakh rupees. One of the world's most famous artists, internationally renowned DJs,
pool parties, musical events, high-profile attendees from Bollywood, fashion and the business industry. The 3-day Kreyark Sea Cruise event had it all. Tickets for the 5-star tour started from 60,000 rupees and went all the way to 5 lakh rupees. India Today has accessed exclusive details of the event Kreyark, organized by Fashion TV India with Namaskar on board the Cordelia, an Indian super luxury cruise liner. Organizers circulated a 14-page document called the Kreyark Bible for high-profile guests, which mentions all the do's and don'ts along with the lists of artists and other attractions. The organizers also mentioned a strict no drugs or illegal substances policy for all participants. The cruise was supposed to depart at 3:30 p.m. on Saturday from Mumbai and return at 10 a.m. on October the 4th after cruising on the Arabian Sea. The organizers for the first day had promised musical performances by Miami-based DJ Stan Kolev, along with famous DJs Bullseye, Browncoat and Deepesh Sharma. On day 2, an FTV pool party was planned for the guests. During the pool party, Raul K, a DJ from Ivory Coast, was scheduled to perform along with Indian DJ Kora and Moroccan artist Keza. The cruise event had several high-profile guests on board, many of whom are now under the Narcotics Bureau scanner. With Divyesh Singh in Mumbai and Munish Pandey in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
After the NCB busted the high-profile drug party, the premium luxury cruise ship Cordelia's Empress has now washed its hands of the entire drugs that were found on board. The president and CEO of the Cordelia Cruises has said that the drugs were found in some of the passengers' luggage, so the onus is clearly on them.
One of India's largest premium luxury cruise ships, Cordelia's Empress. The ship takes guests on board to some of the most popular Indian and international tourist destinations. Equipped with food pavilions, 4 specialty restaurants, bars, gyms, casinos, theatres, several swimming pools, nightclubs and lounges. On Saturday night, under the pale moonlight, the Empress was cutting the high waves and moving towards country's party capital, Goa. The plan was to drown the woes away in the tranquil waters of the Arabian Sea from Mumbai on 2nd October and hit back the shores on 4th. But it was not a trip as usual, as choppy water was awaiting those on board. Despite a clear official guideline by the organizers on no drugs use, as soon as the ship left Mumbai coast and reached mid-sea, NCB officers say they found drugs being used at the rave party.
इतिहास में ड्रग रेड्स एनसीबी के द्वारा कई बार किए गए, लेकिन हाई सीज में किसी क्रूज शिप पर पहली बार किया गया। इस सारे कैलकुलेशन के बाद जो है तय किया गया कि आज रेड किया जाए और मुझे खुशी है कि रेड जो है सक्सेसफुल हुआ।
After NCB raid, President and CEO of Cordelia Cruises, Jürgen Bailom, washed his hands off the drug bust. He said the drugs was found in some of the passengers' luggage and the offenders were offloaded by the Cordelia immediately.
I have nothing to say. We are just cooperating with the authorities. That's our standard procedure.
Drugs were consumed or drugs were...
We don't know. We only operate the ship. We don't know any of that. We are just the operator.
Several passengers complained about the incident, accusing Cordelia of cheating them.
Of course cheating है, उन्होंने मिसऑर्गेनाइज करा था, पैथेटिक सर्विस है, हमसे पैसे लिए हुए हैं।
ड्रग्स पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, रेव पार्टी अंदर चल रही थी।
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ स्पेशली ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करा था, कौन ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज करके बुलाता है? ऑब्वियसली
चीटिंग हुआ है आपके साथ, क्योंकि
ऑब्वियसली चीटिंग हुआ है, हमारे पैसे लिए हैं और हमें एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं दिया, हम इतने दूर से आए हैं।
I heard this was so much police, but drugs was found inside somewhere in the cruise. Yeah, outside I didn't see it.
Did some passengers misuse the musical voyage to indulge in using drugs? Now it is up to NCB to reach the bottom of the mid-sea drug bust case.
The ship
on which this particular cruise was happening is known as Empress. It's a 692 feet long and weighs more than 48,500 tons. Earlier, it sailed across the Caribbean and now it has been brought to India under the flagship of Cordelia Cruises. Part of this rave party that was planned on board this vessel, on board the cruise, had carried drugs with them. NCB had a specific tip-off, and following that they conducted the search operation and seized the drugs. Many of those suspects have been detained and many could be arrested further. With camera person Swaraj, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.